Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add a file, commit it, and push it to a remote GitHub repository. If you haven't seen the previous video where we created a file and committed it locally, make sure to check that out. The link is in the description. All right, let's get started. Open GitHub in Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and search for GitHub. If you don't already have an account, create a new one, or simply log in using your Google account. That's the easiest way. Create a new repository. Once you're logged in, click on New Repository. Give your repository a name, for example, Git Learning. Set the visibility to public, and don't add a README file yet. Now click Create Repository. Your empty repo is created. Copy the repository link. On the repo page, you'll see an HTTPS URL. Click on Copy. We'll use this link to connect our local project to GitHub. Check if a remote origin already exists. Go back to your terminal and type git remote v. If nothing appears, that means your project is not yet connected to any remote repo. Add the remote origin. Now add the GitHub repo link. Git remote add origin. Check again. Git remote v. Now you'll see origin listed for fetch and push. Great. Our local project is now connected to GitHub. Push files to GitHub. Now let's push our committed files to the remote repository. Depending on your branch name, use main or master. Git push u origin main or git push u origin master. This will upload your files to GitHub. Verify on GitHub. Go back to your browser, refresh the repository page, and you will now see all your files uploaded successfully. You'll also notice options like branches, talks, commits. We're going to talk about these in the next video. That's it. You've successfully added files, committed them, connected to a remote repo, and pushed everything to GitHub. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to check the next video where we explore branches, tags, and commits. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.